Hello everyone, I'm Lego Master, and today I have the Lego Car Transporter set 42098, and this took me about a day to build. It is 2,493 pieces. It is ages 11 and up. So there are three sections to this build. The first section is this car, which is, I'm pretty sure it's a Corvette, I'm not sure though. But this was the first part of the set. It has a working V8 engine. This hood does open, but it doesn't really do much. And then the V8 engine has 4 pistons on each side, and it works by the back wheels spinning, which then turns the V8 pistons. And then it has working steering from this knob in the back, and you turn to the right, goes right, turn to the left, the car goes left. So that's the first third of the build. The second part of the build is just this truck from here to here. This truck has many really cool features. It has steering from the top up here and on a knob that's underneath the bed right here, and then on the side there's also a knob that you can turn as well, and that will also turn the wheels. And then right here is a little lever that you push down, and that will lift the cab of the truck to show you the V6 engine, and it also will lift this part of the deck. So if you push this down, it pops up the deck and the cab, and then you can see the V6 engine that works from the middle 2 wheels, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the middle 2 wheels. You can kind of see it move a little bit. So that's how that works. I'll just put that back down. And then right here is a knob to turn, and you turn it and it will actually put the deck down. It is kind of slow to move, but that's okay because you don't want the car to fall off. And these yellow L pieces right here are a little lock that goes right in this little gap right here in the car, and it just makes sure that the car doesn't slide anywhere. So we have 3 on the top, and then on the bottom we have these little tiles that hold the tires in place. So to release these levers, or the locks, you just push this little lever down and it'll push down the lock, and there are rubber pieces on either side of the lock that act like a spring to make sure that the lock goes right back up. So that's how that works. There are 8 little railings on the side that are detachable. You can detach them fairly easily, and then I can actually leave that there. The third part is the trailer. So the trailer is from a little piece right here all the way to the back. I will move this car to show you how this works. So you have 4 railings on the top. You also have one of these locks that works with the lever, and then there's a knob right here that puts down this ramp, and that way the car can drive up on the ramp and go up here, and then go to other spots. Right here is a knob that actually, there's a ramp right here, and this knob on the very bottom, if you turn that, it'll actually move the ramp. Just like that. And then to move this deck part, this knob on the top, if you turn that, it'll also move, but I'm going to put it back because I'm going to show you something else about it. So with the way that it's set up now, what you can do is you can get the car, you can put it on the ramp, you can drive it up. You could park it here. It does wobble just a little bit, but it's not bad. Or you can keep pushing it forward. Got stuck. And then you can lock it either here on here, and then when you push this lever down, it releases. can either do that, or you can keep pushing it to right there. And then you can, if you have 4 more of these cars, or cars that are different colors but relatively the same size, then you can put one here and then put this back up.
Just like this. It is very slow, but it's just that way nothing breaks, so there's weight on the top because it pushes down.
So you can put that up, and then you can put this down and drive a car up here, and then put this back up, drive a car here and here, and then you turn this knob on the very bottom again to lift the ramp up, and then you turn the very left knob to put the ramp back. But this ramp is actually a 2-part ramp. The first part I will show you is the part that attaches from the deck to the other half of the ramp. This is the first half, and the second half is free moving, and it does flex a little bit when you have weight on it like the car, but it's not bad enough to where it'll break. So you can twist this again, and then the first part doesn't move, but the second part is free moving, and just like that, it's put away. And I also forgot to mention that there are working doors on either side. The steering wheel does not work on the truck or the car, it's just for decoration, but other than that, this is really cool. You can also detach the trailer from the car, or from the truck. There's a little axle right here that's holding in called the hitch. So all you do is grab this and pull it up. It's a little tricky to pull, but that's okay. You can put that back, and then you can detach the trailer from the truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and comment down below what your favorite part was. I'll see you next time.